Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the hydrant problem. Okay, so for some reason, due to the cold, and it's freezing way down underneath that hydrant where that pipe connects to it, and for some reason something happened to the washer. So I might have to take the whole thing out and see what actually happened to that flush. Okay, so hydrant flush. So maybe it broke, maybe water got collected and it's frozen completely and cannot operate the way it should. So I need to figure it out. I have to take that one out and open it up, pull that one out and see what actually is wrong. I might have to replace it, or I might have to put it back on once I fix it. Okay, so let's see what actually is the problem. For some reason, when I open the water, when I just turn the water on, it won't stop even if I want it to stop here. So this one is actually not operating the way it should. So what I'm gonna do is like there are multiple ways to fix this one out. So you can take this one out one by one, take all apart, and then reassemble it, or you can just twist this around, check this whole thing out, pull the washer out, and then see what the problem is. Okay, so let me open this one up and see if I can. Okay, so just to take this one out, you're gonna need like two big wrenches. So one is to hold the pipe and other one is to turn this thing around so that I can open it. So you gotta do is like anti-clockwise. All you guys need is big wrenches. This one is 24 inch, this one is 12 inch, so it should work. Okay, so all you gotta do is like open it clockwise, anti-clockwise, the way you open the bottle. There we go. This one is open. Oh, it's heavy, but it's strong. There you go. Yeah, you can do like piece by piece also and pull the rod out, but I'm taking the whole thing out. It'll be easier for me to pull this thing out. Okay, so let's see. There you go. All right, there you go. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Oh, it's ice. This one is full of ice. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It is ice around their pipe. Oh, it just fell. Look at that. It just fell, okay? So I might have to heat it up a little bit and then take this thing out. It just don't want to come out. I don't know, for some reason. You gotta do little by little. Oh, a bunch of ice in here. So I might have to heat it up to take the thing out, you know. It is way deep. Let me get a propane heater. I just need to heat that pipe. All right, there's the propane heater right here. Heat it up. All right, let's see if this will make any difference at all. All right, so you gotta pull this one out. There you go. There you go, man. Oh, it's coming out again. Oh, look at this. It's full of ice, man. Holy Jesus. It's way up. Alright, just give me a second. Let me hold the rod. It's coming up. Oh, look at that. This is what I mean, guys. Look at this plunger. Whew. That's why it's not stopping. The water is completely frozen. This one looks okay. You know? It's not completely worn out, so alright guys, look at this. This plunger looks okay. It's not fully worn out. This will work for at least a couple of years, you know. But as of right now, it looks good. I don't have to change it. But this one, look at this. That's the reason why it's not stopping the water. Look at this line. Oh, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. For some reason, that's the problem, you know. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is like break this down and reinsert this thing. There you go. There you go. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Alright, everything is out. Nice and clear. And then I have to reinsert this one, tie them up, and then see if this will still leak, you know. But for now, what I need to do is like open this for a couple seconds, you know. Alright guys, as you guys have just seen, the water is still operating right now, so there is no problem underneath it. But the only problem was with this controller, you know. So for some reason that was not functioning well, just because of the ice, you know. It's not letting this thing to go all the way down, and it wasn't functioning well. So what you all got to do is like take this thing out, put it back on, and reset it, so it's to be all good, you know. Let's keep working. So I'm gonna reinsert this. Before that, I need to tighten this one up a little bit. There you go. This one is tight enough. All you gotta do is like reinsert this thing, you know. Hopefully it's nice and smooth. Yep, it is. There might be still ice. I'm gonna put Teflon tape around here. So all you just gotta do is like give a little bit of sealant. Alright guys, this will be good enough. nice and easy. Now you need a wrench. Keep it a little bit tighter, you know. So that should be good. It's not going anywhere, you know. So hopefully this will be good enough. All I gotta do is like make it tighter. This one is a little bit wobbly. I will just make it a little bit tighter. Hey, go, get out. My dogs are playing around me. So I just need to put them out. Hey, come on, let's go. Go, come on. Come on. Be all good. That is good. And try this one off. The bottom one right here. And this one is tight. So this is good. It's all fixed. Alright guys. Alright guys, so finally this will be it for now, as you guys can tell. So this one is fully fixed. So all you gotta do is like open the water and then it's all good. But I'm not doing anything since it is still too cold outside. And my greenhouse is in mid 60s even without a heat. I haven't run any heat because I don't have propane. So my propane is coming this Friday. Once I have the propane, I'm gonna hook up the heater, start doing the seedlings, and I'm gonna fill out every space here. So be growing almost like 15 to 20,000 seeds. All right. So this is how you can fix the hydrant flush. Do something by yourself. It's way cheaper, and you guys can save a lot of money out of this one, you know. But if you hire somebody, they're gonna take a lot of money out from you. So this is how you can maintain your farm even with a small budget. Alright guys, if you guys like my video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out guys.